Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change DSG Gear Knob updated. Begin by confirming knob type and clearing the area around the shifter to avoid damage. Remove trim pieces carefully with the pry tool and keep screws organized. Unplug any electrical connectors and note their positions. Inspect the replacement knob for clips or adapters, then test fit before final assembly. Reconnect connectors, press the boot into place, and verify smooth shifting. In this video, I will show how to change DSG Gear Knob updated. First, lift surrounding trim gently to expose mounting screws and avoid scratches. Remove Torx screws carefully and set them aside in order to simplify reassembly. Depress connector clips and pull straight to unplug any wiring, taking photos if needed. Slide the old knob up or unscrew it depending on design, keeping pressure controlled to prevent spring loss. Keep parts organized for a smooth. In this video, I will show how to change DSG Gear Knob updated. Position the new knob so splines or adapter match the shifter shaft, then press or screw it down until it seats firmly. Reattach any electrical plugs and confirm they click into place for reliable function. Replace screws and trim pieces in reverse order, making sure the boot sits flush and there are no pinched wires. Finally, cycle through gears to confirm proper installation and feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.